Alright, quick update on the old Miguel truck, 2001 F150 4.6 liter, 178,000 miles. Haven't really done much, just kind of been tinkering a little bit. I actually pulled up some of the data tonight. A couple of things, still no check engine light, no codes, so there's nothing there for that. Load percentage is really high. At idle, this thing should be below, I think, 24% load percentage, so 36.5. Short-term and long-term fuel trims. According to the Ford OEM service guide, short-term should be from negative to positive 10. Long-term should be negative to positive 20. So we're within range on the fuel trims. Spark advance is another one that's kind of a red flag. Spark advance at idle, hot idle, according to the Ford service guide, should never exceed more than 19.5 degrees. And there's a few times it's jumping up from 25 to 30. Now, we're at night and it's been running a little bit, so I guess you would call this hot idle. Its temperature gauge is halfway. So those are probably actually some of the best numbers I've seen yet. But it does jump up to 25 degrees periodically. Let's go down to the O2 voltage. MAF, that's 0.01 pounds per second. And the Ford spec book has it at, I think, grams per second. And if you divide, since there's 453 grams in a pound, and if you divide that, then I think that is correct. Now, there is a way to test that. If you unhook the mass airflow meter, the truck should go into speed density mode, and it will run and it will drive, but it'll go to speed density tables. In this case, when I unhook the mass airflow meter, it runs considerably worse. So I think, right now, I don't think the math is a problem. It's in the back of my head. I'm keeping it in mind. I don't think the mass airflow meter is a problem, though. Let's see. Throttle position voltage is actually pretty normal. I think the specification on it was 24% at idle, if I remember correctly. I don't remember thinking that was an issue. And it looks like the O2 voltage isn't as critical as much as are they switching from, I think, lean to rich, like they should. In that case, if you look at it, it's going from 0.1 volt